Hello, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're going to walk through the proper steps of how to replace a dryer drum seal. Okay, in order to replace your dryer drum seal, you're going to have to first remove the old one. The old one is glued in place. I have a little pick tool. I like to push between the seal and the drum itself. And once you get it started, you're going to be able to just pull the whole seal right up and off. Now, a lot of the time this seal is going to already be on its way coming off due to the fact that it's broken. Okay, now in order to replace the dryer drum seal, you're going to take and get a special high temp adhesive that will come with the seal, and you're going to run a layer of it around the drum, just along this line where you can see the felt from the old seal. Now what you're going to want to get is a pair of vice grips. They're going to help you hold the seal in place because it is tough to get it to stay in place once it's glued. Start the seal on there. Get your vice grips and just clamp it into place. If you have multiple pairs, it will make it easier. You're just going to take and run the seal all along the outer edge, making sure it stays in place. Now if you have multiple vice grips, that's where you'll then clamp one here and you'll go around. Again, this is Tyler with Appliance Service by Paul. We've just walked through the proper steps of how to replace a dryer drum seal.